Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Richmond. In fact, guys, Osimhen transfer to Chelsea is getting tense. Victor Osimhen transfer to Chelsea is getting serious. Why? Guys, now important celebrities are speaking. Now important people are pushing for this transfer to happen. Mr. P Square, the musician, and Mikel, the legendary Mikel, our former player, yes, they are doing everything possible to make Osimhen transfer happen. By the way, Mr. P Square tweeted or posted about how they are pushing for this deal to happen. Guys, we can summarize it. So let's read it word to word from Mr. P Square. Yes, before we come and do the analysis together. This is it, guys. Dear Chelsea fans, last summer, both Mikel, John Obi, and I made every effort to secure the signing of Victor Osimhen for Chelsea, including engaging in a three-way call right up until the transfer deadline. I want to reassure all of you that we remain steadfast in our pursuit and will continue our effort this summer. Fingers crossed. From Mr. P Square, a musician. Yes, I hope you know him. Yes, P Square. They are twins. Yes, Peter and Paul, and Peter spoken currently, Mr. P Square. Guys, that is the information from Mr. P Square. Yes, to summarize it, he said that him and Mikel last season, they did everything that they can do in order for Chelsea to sign Osimhen, in order Osimhen to join Chelsea, but it didn't happen. So this season or this summer, they will push again to see if it can happen, because fingers crossed, to see if they can make the deal happen. Guys, before I say anything about this Osimhen transfer to Chelsea, see, I am shocked and I am surprised as a football fan, as a big fan, and I am extremely ashamed as a football fan, as a Chelsea fan, to see a player like Osimhen giving himself to a team. Players like Osimhen, team should rather chasing them, not them want to come to a team, and with that team is making it difficult. Players like Osimhen, they can play for every team, any team in this world. Players like Osimhen, Victor Osimhen, they are a dream for any manager. Any successful manager who want to win titles, trophies, you need strikers like Victor Osimhen. So that is why I said I am ashamed, shocked, surprised. Osimhen is now even giving himself to Chelsea, to play for Chelsea. And I'm not blaming him. We are human beings. All of us have a dream. Yes, one day I want to be this, one day you want to be this. All of us, we have a dream. And Osimhen started supporting Chelsea since infancy. Osimhen is a Chelsea fan. Osimhen idol is Drogba. So for that matter, as a player, he want to play for Chelsea someday. He want to play for Chelsea one day, Victor Osimhen. So that is why he want to join Chelsea. That is why he is giving himself, or looking like he is giving himself to Chelsea. The personal terms Osimhen want to come. So I'm not blaming him. That is his dream, to play for Chelsea. But in the aspect of our owners, those in charge of signing Osimhen, in fact, they disappointed with the Chelsea fans. See, it means that they don't want Chelsea to compete. It means that in the future, they don't want Chelsea to win trophies. Because as I said, if you want to win trophies, if you want to compete as a team, you need strikers like Osimhen. And luckily, he is saying, okay, Chelsea, come and take me. Come and take me. And now problems upon problems. This is a big disappointment from our owners, from Todbole and co. And let's come to the wages issue, because that is a crucial one. The reason why Chelsea haven't signed him, the wages. Guys, Osimhen wants 350k or 200k or 250k. And Chelsea, we have a wage gap, 150. Our owners, they have a wage gap, 150. So they are saying that Osimhen should reduce his wages before they sign him. And this wages thing, see, if you have been watching me or if you are new here, I'm not a fan of it. I'm not supporting it because I am a Chelsea fan. I am not a smaller team fan. That is why Chelsea, every year, Chelsea will generate revenue, more revenue. The fans are there. Sponsors are coming. We are big. We are global entity. So for that matter, as a team like this, you have to pay higher wages. As a team like this, You are known to be signing superstars. You are known to be signing big players. You are known to be signing quality players. For that matter, you have to pay higher wages. Forget. If you want to sign striker like Osimhen, forget about lower wages or wage gap. Forget about that. Big teams doesn't have wage gap. So this wage gap, what from the owners, I'm not a fan of it. I'm not supporting it. And I will never accept it in Chelsea. Because I know my Chelsea to be attracting quality, already made, proven players. And those players, when they are coming, they are on higher wages. Yes, you can't tell Mbappe to reduce his wages. You can't tell Haaland to reduce his wages. They are quality players. They are good players. Even Victor Gyökeres, we're interested to sign Sesko and Co. I don't think they will take 150. These players are good, Isaac and Co. They will never take 150. So that wage gap, Osimhen reduce the wages, that is not Chelsea. That is not our tradition. We don't know this. Chelsea, we don't know this until these owners came with that business tricks, business what and what. And what surprised me here is that some of Chelsea fans supporting this greedy behavior from our owners, that Osimhen should reduce his wages before Chelsea can go and sign him. I don't think you like Chelsea. If you are supporting or thinking about Osimhen reducing his wage, I don't think you know Chelsea very well, or I don't think you want Chelsea to compete. That is not Chelsea. See, we pay big money. Some days it works, some days it doesn't work. That is how big teams operate. Forget. If you are a football fan and you are saying that Osimhen should reduce his wages, I don't think you want the success of Chelsea. No. Because see, forget. You can't bring 30 million player or 90,000 pounds a week player, expect him to play like 350 or 250 million striker. It can't happen. There's no magic here. There's no luck here. You have to do the right thing before you attract the right result. So some Chelsea fans who are there on social media saying that stop it, that means you are supporting the owners over your Chelsea. Yes, see, Chelsea is different from Tudbolu. We were supporting Chelsea before they bought Chelsea. And if Chelsea signed Osimhen, he is coming to add quality to our Chelsea. Look at the Conference League that we just won. Look at the way we celebrated. Conference League. So don't you want Chelsea to win Champions League? Don't you want Chelsea to win Premier League so that we can celebrate more and more and more? And all this can't happen if we don't have this kind of quality players. It can't happen. Forget. No magic. You have to bring the right players. You have to bring the quality players. So some fans saying that Osimhen should reduce his wages, what and what. No, it's not fair. We are not being fair to Osimhen. So are you telling me that Osimhen is not worthy of that wages he is asking for? No, see, let's be fair. Osimhen is 100% worthy of that wages he is asking for because he is a good player. He is a good striker. Guys, Osimhen deserves anything he is asking for. If Victor Osimhen then decides, okay, I will reduce my wages to join Chelsea, fine. From him, that is his decision. But in a normal sense, looking at him as a player, he deserves all the wages. There is a reason why players have qualities. Guys, there is a reason why players have levels. I'm telling you. And it takes a lot to be a good player, to be a good striker like Victor Osimhen and co. It takes a lot. You can't just wake up one day and become a good player or a good striker. No. They have gone through so many sacrifices. They have gone through so many process, obstacles on the way, constraints on their way. Yes, they trained, did everything to be the position they are today. So, when a player is good, give what belonging to him. Give what belonging or what he deserves to him. If a player is a good striker, pay him according to his level. Pay him according to his qualities, like Osimhen and co. Guys, this Osimhen reduce his wages what and what. If Osimhen at the end of the day decide to reduce his wages and join Chelsea, fine. We are welcoming him. Yes. But I will never force or tell Osimhen to reduce the wages before Chelsea sign. Because for me, I think Osimhen quality deserve that wages. So, first of all, those in charge or those fans saying that, this is a message for you. I don't think you like Chelsea. I don't think you know Chelsea. I don't think you want Chelsea success. Yes. And let's come to another issue about Osimhen transfer to Chelsea. Let's come to our front line. Now, currently, we have two strikers. Yes, active two strikers. Delap and Jackson. See, guys, these two players, they are not bad players. They are good. But this is Chelsea. Chelsea, we have levels. That is why all of us was hoping for Chelsea to qualify for the Champions League. that is our level. Chelsea playing Europa League or Conference League is not our level. And if we have been watching football so far, so long now, we know that before you can play Champions League football, your team can compete and win it. You need experience. You need quality players. You need proven strikers. You need clinical strikers like Osimhen. Jackson is not bad. Dilap is not bad. But guys, this is risky signings, or these players are risky players in our squad currently, because nobody can boldly say that because we are having Dilap next season, Chelsea we can win the Champions League. Nobody in Chelsea fan. If you said that, I don't think you are fair. And nobody can boldly say that because Chelsea have Jackson, for that matter, now Chelsea qualify for the Champions League. Next season, Chelsea can win the Champions League. Nobody, even non-Chelsea fan, if he knows football very well, nobody can boldly say that because we are having these two strikers, we can win the Premier League title next season. We can win the Champions League. No. Why? Because these players are lower standard. These players are average. This player doesn't have the numbers to prove it. These players, they are inexperienced. This player doesn't have the quality. So for that matter, they are in doubt. We can't trust them 100%. But I can boldly say that Osimhen will give me the goals. I can boldly say that if Osimhen come to Chelsea with that injuries, everything is working well, Osimhen can help Chelsea to win the Premier League. I can boldly say that with that injuries, with that anything, Osimhen can help Chelsea to win the Champions, because I saw it already. Napoli, wherever Osimhen play, Osimhen, he is a good goal scoring striker. Osimhen started scoring goals since he started football as a striker. Yes, he is that number 9. He is that typical number 9. And I can boldly say that. Yes, and I think not I alone. Most of us, we've seen Osimhen playing for Nigeria national team, for Napoli, Galatasaray, wherever Osimhen went to, he has been scoring goals. Go and see the goals that he's scoring. He's killing himself. Yes, given the pressure. Look at the crosses this season from NATO, from our wingers. If Osimhen were to be in our front line all day, he is scoring all the goals. Guys, I don't want this video to be long. But before we end, guys, I want to say this to all Chelsea fans around the world, including me. I am also part. Guys, if it happened that the summer end, Chelsea doesn't bring us any experienced striker, any proven striker, any clinical striker, and we only have Jackson and Dilap. I heard they want to sign Ekitike. Those young strikers. If it happened that Chelsea doesn't sign any experienced striker, and next season we'll go into next season, now Chelsea started playing, we are missing chances, we are not scoring goals, we are not winning football games because we are still lacking that striker quality like this season as we saw. Please, guys, nobody should come for Enzo Maresca. No Chelsea fans should call for Enzo Maresca head. I know. Next season, if things doesn't go very well, Enzo Maresca will be called for a sack. But for me, if I see that my players are lacking the goal scoring ability, my striker is lacking the goal scoring ability, I will not support Chelsea sacking Enzo Maresca. All the blames will go to the owners who refuse to stand as a clinical striker, who refuse to stand as experienced striker, who refuse to stand as a proven striker. Next season, if at the end of this summer they don't go and get as experienced striker, and next season the season started, Chelsea we can't score goals, and the problem is from because we don't have a striker like this season, we don't have a clinical striker, what and what. I will never support any agenda of sacking Enzo Maresca or any saying that Enzo Maresca should be sacked. I'm going to blame, as I said, the owners and some fans who are saying that who should lower his wages. Even if Chelsea is not going to sign Osimhen, Victor Gyökeres, they should go and bring him. He is also another proven striker. They should go to Newcastle. Isak is there, who knows the Premier League very well. They should go and bring him to Chelsea. Even Sesko is there. This season he scored 20 plus goals. Yes, go and bring him. For me, I want experience. I want a proven striker who have the numbers behind, backup. So guys, this is my last words to we the Chelsea fans. See, please, let's be fair to Enzo Maresca, because Enzo Maresca, he is a tactical man. He is a manager. Enzo Maresca, if Jackson misses a chance or if Jackson can convert, Enzo Maresca cannot go into the pitch and convert that chance. Even before Pep started winning, he built his own team. Even Pep, his first season, he didn't start winning a Premier League. He's built his own team, bought his own players. Arteta, current Arteta, who is winning and not winning, Arteta bought his own players, but still, things are not working. It's not easy. Want to talk of you over there, they are bringing you 20 years, 18 years guy to work to win. No. See, next season, let's be fair to Enzo Maresca. If this owner doesn't go and bring us the right players, and it's not first season, won his first Premier League. First season, made this season, Premier League. Do you know why? Because the squad he came and met was already built. Proven players, Salah and co, Van Dijk and co, yes, who has been in the Premier League, yes, Diaz and co, before he came. So see, nothing will come out until you do something good. So for me, I'm saying this to we the Chelsea fans, next season, let's be honest to Enzo Maresca if things are not working. Because for me, I know, if Chelsea were going to continue with Jackson, it will continue like that. Even if Jackson will improve, it will come to a time that still we'll see that inexperience, that he is not a striker team. Delap, he is a risky son. We don't know what will happen next. Nobody knows as we are speaking now. Delap will come or Delap will bring to Chelsea. He is another young player. First season in the Premier League, Chelsea signed him. Delap, I can't believe that Delap will give him the Champions League. I can't have the hope that Nicola Jackson will give him the Premier League. But let's hope next season they improve. Guys, these are my information or my message, my analysis on Victor Osimhen coming to Chelsea. Mr. P Square, yes, Obi Mikel. We are wishing them all the best. They should do whatever they can do at the end of the day. If Chelsea sign Osimhen, we are good to go. If Chelsea doesn't sign Osimhen, we shall see. We are watching. We pray that God give us long life for us to see what is coming. I'm wishing Chelsea all the best. I'm not saying that if Chelsea doesn't sign Osimhen, Chelsea should go and fail. But I'm speaking the reality, the honesty, the truth. Before you can win something big, you need to have the quality players like Champions League and co, Premier League and co. You need to have a striker who can give at least 20 goals in a season. And Justin is not that striker. We don't know about Dilap. Guys, let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about Chelsea signing Victor Osimhen. Another video is coming about, yes, our young talented players joining Chelsea soon. Yes, Santos and Estavo Williams. Yes, and also some transfer news. That video is coming. Turn on the notification bell. Hit the like button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. And hit the subscription button. Take care. Peace.